Hello guys, welcome back again. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show to you how to create a shiny effect on your logo only using Capcut. And the way to create it, first you need to open your Capcut and then import the logo that you want to add this effect. And when you already import the logo of your own identity or maybe a brand, then the next step you just need to click the clip like this and swipe left the toolbar until you found a masking button. This one, you just need to click it and use this mirror mask and click this invert mask like this, and now you just need to decrease the thickness from the mask kind of like this, and I'm going to positioning it onto this position and increase the feather like this. The next step, I'm going to put it on this side, and before we doing all of that, the first thing that we need to do is go to the main toolbar, this one, and swipe left your toolbar until you found this background button. Click it and use this color background and change the color onto white color, kind of like this. And the next step, I'm going to decrease the size from the logo onto the side and positioning it onto the middle or on the center. And the next step, click the clip, and like I said previously, go to the mask button, use this mirror mask, click invert and decrease the thickness from the mask, and put it on the side, increase the feather from the mask, and now you just need to put the mask on the side and click add a keyframe on the first duration like this. And then the next step, you just need to swipe left onto the next duration where you want to add the end of the animation from this shiny effect. So let's add it onto this 4 second, and when you're done, as you can see now, it's already have this shine effect. And if you want to make it much more slower, the motion from it much more slower, you can adjust the position from each mask, maybe like it's much more have a range. So just swipe left your clip again and hit the duration where you want to add the mask, kind of like this. And now when it's done, this is the final result of it. Sorry, my mistake, I forget to add a mask onto this first position, this one, and on the last one I'm going to swipe it left like this. Okay, my mistake. And now this is the final result of it. And that's the way how to create this kind of effect on your logo only using Capcut. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.